How to see someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So, when you view someone's status and you want them not to know that you have viewed their status already, so what you can do is here, as you can see, here is a status. I'll tap on it and I have viewed their status, so they will be able to see that I have viewed their status. Now, to not let them know, what we can do is tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to the settings, tap on privacy, and here toggle the options of read receipt. And then now when I'll see their status, they won't be able to know that I have already viewed their status. And again, you can toggle it on to let them know that you have viewed their status. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.